Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming JJS is available and your images are where the script can read them. Once done, set a clear file path variable and load a tiny HTML container to host the picture block. You will reference that container from JJS. Make sure permissions allow file reads. Then write the first lines in your JS file to import Java classes you need and to open the document element. This gets you into the interactive part immediately and avoids later path confusion. You now build the picture block, create an image element, and assign SRC using the path variable. Next, set attributes like width, height, and alt text so the block behaves predictably. Then append the image to the HTML container and add load and error listeners to manage fallback images. Once the image is appended, attach click or hover handlers to enable interactivity. This is where you tie metadata to behavior. Make sure to test with both relative and absolute paths to confirm reliability. You finish by optimizing and validating the picture block. Implement lazy loading and caching to improve performance and compress images to reduce load times. Then run through a validation pass. Check console logs for load and error events, confirm MIME types, and ensure file permissions are correct. If an image fails, use a placeholder and a retry counter so the UI stays intact. If problems persist, inspect the path string and server headers. Fixing those usually resolves the last issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.